Magandang hapon po ng July 13, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 13, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, July 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas na para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 13, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 92.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Saturday, July 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for July 13, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.